To find Vanessa's gross pay, you should have taken her 35 hours times her wage of $10.50 and gotten $367.50. To find her federal tax deduction, you should have taken her gross pay of $367.5 and multiplied it by 13.2% as a decimal, so 0.132, which equaled $48.51. For her state tax, you would have taken her gross pay times 7% as a decimal, so 367.5 times 0.07 to total 2573. For her Social Security, her gross pay of 367.5 times 0.062 equals 22.79. For Medicare, her gross pay of 367.5 times 0.0145, which totaled $5.33. When you added in that health insurance, the total deductions was 157.36, which meant to find her net pay, you should have taken 367.5 minus 157.36, and her net pay should have been $210.14. Now, these past examples have all been with hourly pay. I do want you to know how to calculate a salary pay deductions. So I went and I Googled social worker median salary for Minnesota, and I found that it was $59,102. So when I try to figure out what my gross pay for a salary, I'm going to take that total salary amount and I'm going to divide it by the number of pay periods. So I'm going to take $59,102 and divide it by 26 pay periods to get a gross pay of $2,273.15. The rest of the math can be done exactly the same way that we did our hourly pay. So when I do my withholdings, I just take that gross pay amount, not the salary, but the gross pay, so the 2,273.15, and I multiply it by that decimal percentage, so 0.132. I get $300.06. State taxes, again, I take my gross pay times 7% as a decimal, and I get $159.12. Same goes for my Social Security FICA and my Medicare FICA. I'm taking my gross pay times the percentage as a decimal. When I total up all those withholdings or deductions, I get $706.62. And then to find my net biweekly wages or my net pay, I take my overall gross salary of $2,273.15. I subtract my total withholdings or deductions of $706.62, and my net biweekly pay wages are $1,566.53.
I'd like you to practice by using the example of the marketing consultant below that earns the salary of $38,598 a year. First, find their gross pay, assuming that there are 26 pay periods in a year. Then, find all the deductions using the given percentages. And finally, figure out their net pay. After that, I want you to continue practicing this by completing the 6-1 Payday wages. When you open this, you'll click this attached doc and it will allow you to create an editable submission. So you're going to start by looking up a salary for your dream job. So first you've got to tell me what that dream job is on this line. Then look up their average salary, go through and figure out what the deductions and withholdings would be, and finally figure out what your net biweekly pay for this dream job is.